Welcome back to another video. Just got to my second house in Texas. We already were here. I just haven't been making many videos. So yeah, I'm basically just a mess. I got my setup, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I can get some pranks in on my sister while she doesn't expect it. And tomorrow we're gonna be thinking of a challenge video, so something else to look forward to. What are you playing?
Advertisement for Guitar Hero.
Making a character for Guitar Hero? Her setup. Got her Wii. What do you think about a challenge video tomorrow?
Maybe, maybe not.
I think we should. We were supposed to be making videos since we got here.
Right. Not already.
Hey Cassie. 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 100%. Used to have turtles in there. Did Grandma tell you what happened to turtles?
No.
Say peace out to the vlog.
Peace out, dude. Bye.
Rude. Rude. Whatever. Look at that nerd. Hey nerd. Nerd. Alright, this is the end of my second vlog. Sorry if it's kind of cringy. I suck at making videos right now, and I haven't got my Elgato yet or anything, so I won't be making COD videos. But I plan on making a challenge tomorrow with Haley. If not, then I'll think of something. But